So let's start with this H&M barrel jean. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. So guys, this is currently 23 minutes past 8 a.m. in the morning, and today I'm off work. I'm not going to work today, but I have a lot of things to do. You guys, we are going on a holiday. We are going to two places. So we are going to Manchester for 3 days, and then we are going to Scotland. I think we'll be in Scotland for 5 days or so. So he's very spontaneous. So he has planned a Manchester trip and a Scotland trip, and these two trips are happening next week. So Manchester will be on the beginning of next week up until I think mid next week, like 3 days or 4 days each, and then the weekend of that next week up until the other week will be the Scotland one. Yeah, so let me just call it 8 days straight. Is like back holiday. So as the birthday girl that I am, I got a couple of things for myself. Not a couple, I got a whole lot of things, and I'm still going to buy more for myself because yeah, it's my birthday and I like spoiling myself on my birthdays. I like buying myself things on my birthdays, not on for my birthday, like when is my birthday, around my birthday, after my birthday, just around that my birthday period. I like. So let me now show you guys the things I bought for myself. I bought some in TK Maxx. On the day I bought those things in TK Maxx, I didn't even plan buying. I just got in there. They were doing sales. I was like, let me just buy. So I bought some things in TK Maxx. I bought some things in H&M, and then I bought some tops, some just random t-shirt tops. So let's start with this H&M. So I bought this yesterday when we went to H&M. So this is this footwear. I love these sandals. Normally I don't wear long heels. My heels are always small heels, but I've never worn this kind of heel ever. All my heels, if I bring all my footwear now to show you guys, you will see it's the same heel. I like blocked heels because they are balanced. I might just put a picture of blocked heel here to show you guys because it is balanced. So I've never worn pointed heel, curvy heel, all those other heels, always blocked heel. But when I saw this one, I tried it on and it fits so well. And I wear size 41, but this is a big 40. It fits so well, so I love it. I love the strap. So yeah, it's a lovely sandals from H&M. And then I bought this barrel jean. Yeah, barrel jean. So I wanted to buy a black one, but the black is not really black. It was kind of a washed kind of black color, so I said let me just buy this one instead. So this is a barrel jean in size, what size is it? In size 14. I normally wear size 16, but I tried the size 16 on. It was kind of big on the bum area, so I took this size 14 and it fitted me so well, the waist, the bum, everything. So I bought this for, they were on sales for this one. The actual price, I think the actual price was £29. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it was sold for £17. It was 29, but it was sold for 17. 29.99, but it was sold for £17. And most of the barrel jeans I've seen in other shops are always like a little bit, it doesn't get to my ankle, yeah, but this one lengthwise is very okay. So I love this barrel jean from H&M. This is the dress I think I'll wear on my birthday. I love this back, this open back thingy, and this is the front, and this is H&M. Very beautiful dress. What again? Yeah, that's my receipt, my H&M receipt. So those are the things I bought. So those are the things I bought from H&M. Let me now show you guys the ones I bought from TK Maxx. Yeah, TK Maxx. So like I told you, they were on sales on the day we went there. We went to church and then we just stopped by to check a few things. It happened to be they were on sales. I didn't plan to buy so much sense, but I just picked one or two. So I bought this top for a daisy. It was for £5. Yeah, it's just a little cute top. That's the brand name. It's so cute. For a daisy, not for me. Yeah, she also bought this thing for herself, this toy thing. How much was it? £5. This one is a balloon jean. Can you guys see? Balloon. So how much did I even buy it? I bought it for £20. Let's just call it £20. £19.99. Can you guys see? £19.99. Yeah. So it looks like a barrel jean, but it's not really barrel. It's balloon, and it's not as long as the one I bought in H&M. But anywho, it's so lovely. I love. And then I bought this jot. Maybe it's jot. They're now calling what we used to call short. They're calling it jot. I bought this. It's DKNY jeans. Yeah, DKNY, all crested everywhere. DKNY jeans. So it was also on sales for £18. Can you guys see? £18. And then I bought some tops recently. Let me show you guys. I bought this Nike t-shirt for £23. Can you guys see? 23. So this is what it's looking. Yeah, I love the color. It's so beautiful. And I bought this one. So this one is a USA Pro. I bought it for £23.99. Yeah, USA Pro. Can you guys see? Very beautiful, very lovely. And I bought this Adidas. I bought this Adidas for £22.99. £22.99. It's an Adidas t-shirt, and I love it so much. Puma for £18. £18. You guys see? I love the color as well. And then I bought this. Okay, oh, I forgot to show you guys. I bought this one, this particular one. I bought it in TK Maxx alongside the two jeans I showed you guys. So I think this one was the one that was even on sales. Yeah, I bought it for £12.99. Can you guys see? Is it for New Balance? So these are all the t-shirts. How many of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of these t-shirts I bought recently, and I love them. Like, I can't wait to rock them. Just throw them on, wear my jean, my jorts, any of these ones in this summer, because obviously it's only in this summer I can rock all these things, because once we get back to the proper winter, cover don't start. So yeah, I used to use this a lot. So yeah, that's what it's looking. Yeah, is it focused? So you just open and spray in your mouth just for a fresh breath. So I also bought this top in Primark. It's a Primark top, a white top. How much did I even buy it? I bought it for £2.50. Can you guys see? Yeah, just a random white top that I can just throw on top. And yeah, so yeah, is there any other thing? Hope there's nothing else here that I wanted to show you guys. Some weeks ago, I can't even remember how long, it's been long, I bought this set. It's a 2-piece set. I bought them for myself and my kids. See, so this should be for Daisy, and then it's short. Yeah, so this one is for Soso, the shorts and the top. So Soso's one is 6 to 7 years. You guys see? Then this one is mine, the top and the bottom. So we'll be rocking this when we travel for our holiday. So yeah, I've started getting ready, preparing for this holiday, because myself, I need this holiday. Like, I can't wait to have a break from mom duties, wife duties, what again, my main work, housework, content creation work. In fact, every work, I just need to have a break, and I'm looking forward for these 2 holidays. Yeah, I can't remember if there's any other thing I want to talk to you guys about. My head is full at this point. So yeah, so this is the box I bought for them. I don't even know. This box is a 20 inches 5.4 lbs 2.48 kg carry-on luggage. So that's the box. So this box, I bought it for my kids to pack their things. I have a black box I normally use for travel, for short travels like this. So
people like one Nigerian flag, sir. Hey, my darling.
We are Nigerian Beauty. Shout out to the Prince Rockers for being here right now. Shout out to DJ, please put it up. And I'll remind the hobo, I put that right now. Get in the room, get in the room.
carousel now. Hi, girl.
Hi guys.
Hi, Surf.
Hi guys, so this is me trying to trim the relaxed part of my hair. I didn't even want to vlog this thing because I don't know if I'll continue with this natural hair thing or not, because me, it's not like my hair is doing bad, my hair is doing alright. My edges, some points, can you guys see? Edges all alright, all okay. But so this is my sister's product, yeah. But my sister said, like, she encouraged me to just go natural. And you guys, the last time I went natural was how many years ago? That was like 9 years ago, even 10 years ago. But at some point I couldn't deal, so I had to go back to relaxing my hair. But this time around, I know I'm not going to do this natural thing for long. I know. I'll just do a little trimming of this relaxed part. She said the relaxed part is not held. My sister is she's big in hair care. Anything, if you're struggling with your hair, with anything about hair, just contact her. She will tell you the right things to do. She will tell you what you're not doing right, what you need to be doing. So yeah, let's trim these ends. I will not do much, maybe just this level. I know she see this video now, she'll tell me, I did not even trim anything. But it's something now. She said these things are not healthy. That are not healthy. That's what the hair experts told me. That is not healthy. So I might just be trimming it bit by bit like this, until we get to the natural part, because I need, like, all hair is natural, needs relaxing. But since we are not relaxing again now, the last time I relaxed my hair I think was in April, May, June, July. This is July, this is ending of July, so it's like 3 months now. I should be relaxing my hair next month, but I said since I'm going natural, I don't think there's need for that. I'm not sure. Let me not say since I'm going natural. I'm not sure. Let me not say I'm going natural. I'm not sure, because I know I can't deal with all these natural things. I don't know, but let's start first. Let's start transitioning and see where it leads us.